Now that we have the boards positioned on the base where we want them, the next thing we're going to do is create the standoffs that the boards will rest on. So to do this, first click on the base and then come up to Create Sketch. Just click Capture Position for this message. Okay, so again, anytime you're creating a sketch, you get this palette. And let's move this in a better position here. So again, I'm pressing down on my center wheel of my mouse and just dragging this to get a better view. And then I can zoom in. So now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go up to Create and choose Project. Okay, under this Project/Include, we select Project. And now we're going to click on, see when I move my mouse cursor next to one of these mounting holes, I get a black ring around the hole. Click on that black ring. Okay, so now we got to do the same thing for the 4 holes on the PCB here, the 1-inch PCB. Oops, I missed that one. There. Yeah, you can see that there's like a blue ring around the hole when you select it correctly. So we can click OK and finish sketch. Now we're going to go ahead and hide the boards. So just click on the icon to hide both boards. And you can see we're left with little pink circles, okay, where the mounting holes of the boards are at. So next thing, I'm just going to change my view here back to that orthogonal type of view. And I want to grow the standoffs from these holes that line up with the mounting holes of the board, because the boards are going to rest on these standoffs. So let's go up to extrude, this icon right here, and then I'm going to click on each one of these, the black circle, and you should get the little upward arrow like you just saw there. Oh, now you see I didn't click on the black circle because it got the base, so I'm just gonna go back and let's see, maybe I should zoom in a little bit more here. Alright, so let's try this again. So you just want to click on, oh, I might have to go back up to extrude. Let's do that, yeah. Okay, now there we go. That one, that one, got 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 that one, that one. Okay, so I got all 10, and now I'm going to put in, let's see, what do we want for 3 millimeters? So we want 3 millimeters. So we just put in 3 here. Okay, and as you see here, it extruded these circles, okay, 3 millimeters above our base, and those are going to be our standoffs that the boards will rest on. Now we can unhide the boards. So click on these icons again. And we can take a look to see that the boards are resting on those standoffs. Alright, so at this point, let's go ahead and do a save. So I'm just going to hit the save here. And the next thing we want to do is we want to make these standoffs wider than the holes, okay? Because right now the standoffs are the same diameter as the holes, but we want them wider. And then we're going to put like a little pin on top of these standoffs that will keep the boards in place, that will secure the boards. So I'm going to hide the boards again. And we're going to zoom in. Look at it like this. And we're going to go up to modify. And we want offset face. And we want to click on right. Okay, we want to click right on this face of the standoff and put in 0.75 millimeters. So 0.75. Okay, and you see what occurred here is that now the standoff is wider. Okay, we made the standoff bigger than the hole. And we want to just repeat this for each one. Now one thing you can do, if you come off the board and do a right click, you can choose repeat offset face instead of going up top, but you still have to do them one by one. Okay, and you have to come off the base to choose this repeat offset face. Alright, so let's see, what do we have here? Okay, we got all 10 of them. And again, we could unhide the boards. And you can see that our boards are resting on those standoffs now, where the diameter of the standoffs is greater than the mounting holes on the board. And the next thing we're going to do, and I'll show you this in the next video, is we're going to create pins that extrude from the top of the standoffs and go above the top surface of the mounting hole, and that's what's going to keep the boards secure.